Nigerians. So I want to thank every single one of you out there that contributed, supported the Miriam's release. I want to say may God bless you, may God reward you, may Allah's face shine upon you. You guys are my hero, you guys are my kings and my queens. May God bless you all. Now let me give you the full detail on how the whole thing happened. So guys, remember we have given these people 9 million, 7 million first, then the mother took 2 million to them, making it 9 million. And these guys were like, no, they need one bike and 1 million before they will release Miriam, which I came out here to do the video begging the public. So after that, they now told me that it's not a, I was like, okay, when I bring the one bike, 1 million, you guys gonna let Miriam go, right? They said, no, it's not 1 million, 2 million. And I was like, but we have already told the public 1 million. I said, okay, no problem. Let's see what God will do, because what God cannot do does not exist. So, contribution, what do you call it? Contribution started coming in. Money started coming in. People were sending 100 naira, 200. Like everybody want to support. Every single Nigerian want to support. There was even one that I saw 50, I think 150 naira. 100 naira came in and somebody sent in 1 million. Another person sent in 500,000. Then another, like if I want to start calling him Feji Word, like if I start calling him now, I will not live here. This video might take too long. But thank you everybody, thank you. So contributions started coming in. 100,000, 50,000, 1,000, 1,000, 1,000, 10,000. Until we arrived at 4,020,000. I said, MashaAllah. Thank you, Lord. So we sent 1.850 for the bike, because the bike, you don't have it in Zamfara there. You buy it from Kano, then they bring it to Zamfara, because they specify the kind of bike they want. We sent 1.850. They brought the bike to Zamfara. We had to couple the bike because they said they want the one inside carton. You understand? So they brought the bike, and this is the bike here. When we were coupling the bike, this is it. So after coupling the bike, we had to go to the bank and we got 2 million naira cash. Then they now called in and said they need Samsung pouch. Hey, they need we should bring them 2 Samsung pouch and 2 Samsung screen guide. Like I was like, wait, now these things I could do, sky rubbish. I was already boiling. I was boiling. Khadija was like, okay. May God bless Khadija. May God bless her. May God bless Beloti. So we bought the 2 Samsung pouch and the 2 screen guide, just as they requested. They now said we also need to bring 100,000 naira recharge card. 100,000 naira recharge card. Again, when you sum it up, you see, say the thing on the wahala on the demo, on the boy. So after everything, God so kind, we got everything. We got the 100,000 recharge card, we got the pouch, we got the screen guard. So it's remaining logistics now for people that we driver charge 150,000, people that will couple the bike charge 30,000, people that will like 30,000, 150. Money was just flying. At the end of the day, the money no come, like the money we were having with us finished. We had to look for extra 150, maybe 200,000, which I had to go to some people's DM, because me on my own side I don't finish, like nothing there on me. Even Khadija and Beloti, we don't exhaust. We never even recover from the one of what do you call, the one of Abba. So I went to some few guys DM and hustle, and They assisted, brought in 100, brought in 50, brought in 100. See, may God bless each and every one of you that stood for this girl. May God bless you. So, everything complete. So this is us putting the bike inside the car that will take it to them. You know, this bike now is not the kind of bike that you see everywhere. It's let me just call it a contraband, because most people know that this bike is normally used by bandits. So you have to clear the road. Every checkpoint, you need to explain, where you carry this bike go. If not, see inside cell, because they might think that you bought it for your bandit colleagues, all these things. So we have to clear the road. Which we did, thanks to my teams. Thank you, everybody. So we now cleared the road. The bike got to them, and so they counted the money. The money was complete, 2 million. They saw the bike. The bike was actually the same bike they requested for. Then the next thing, they wanted to play a 9-minute. I don't know if it was a prank on us. I nearly burst. They said they need another 3 million naira. Ah! I just breathe. I say, they say yes, so they need another 3 million naira before they release her. That time, if you see me that time, I was like, I just don't want to. The way I was boiling, if they don't leave this girl, I don't mind. I don't mind where I go. Any place where they sell gun, I'll go enter. Even I don't know how to shoot, I go enter that bush, begin to fire every corner. I was so angry. We called, and they ended the call. We called again, they did not pick. Call again, I was like, yo! It don't happen. But thank God it was a prank. They just pranked us. So later, we got the driver called us that they brought in Maryam, and they've left the bush now, because me, I refused to go in with them. They asked to come. I said, Baba, me, Monaco use me replace Miriam. I don't feel try am. So we had to wait. No, I can't do that. I can't take that risk of giving myself to them freely. No, if they want to get me, let them. They will get me, but they go suffer. If I thought they will get me, they will suffer. So not like me just going there, hand myself over to them. No. So I say you. So the driver now called us and told us that they finally brought Miriam. They are on their way coming, and that was how everything went. So thank you all for your support. I really appreciate you guys. Like I told you before, this is the last time I was gonna do this. Last. And thank God we succeeded. Both three of them are out. Miriam, Yasmin, and Abba. All of them are out. So thank you, Nigerians. May God bless you wherever you brought the money to support from. May God replenish it times 10.